Okay, next up we're going to start our project. Open up Premiere Pro. Select New. The key here is you want to make sure that you're saving it in your GTV folder or GTV weather folder. So you give it the title, click on Browse, go to Indications, GTV weather, and then save. And then click OK. There you go. And then, of course, you're going to next import your clips. So drag your song in and then highlight across your 3 clips and drag those in. And the easiest way to start is to take Henrik's clip and drag it onto the timeline. And that will do all your settings. As you can see, there's Henrik with the green screen.
Hello, GHS.
And you listen to it just to make sure it's there so you can see what's going on.